Water is a ubiquitous and vital resource on our planet. It covers approximately 71% of the Earth's surface, with 97% of that being in the form of saltwater in oceans and seas. The remaining 3% of the world's water is freshwater, with about 68% being in the form of ice and glaciers, 30% in the ground as groundwater, and only about 2% available as surface water in rivers, lakes, and wetlands. However, despite its abundance, the distribution of water resources is uneven, with some regions having more access to water than others. This is an important issue because access to clean and safe water is essential for human health and development, as well as for agriculture and industry. Climate change, over-extraction of groundwater, and pollution are also having a significant impact on the world's water resources. To ensure sustainable access to water, it is important to manage water resources in a way that balances human needs with the needs of the environment. This can be done through measures such as conservation, efficient use, and the development of new technologies and policies that promote sustainable water management. Water cycle and hydrology. The water cycle, also known as the hydrologic cycle, is the continuous movement of water from the Earth's surface to the atmosphere and back. The main processes of the water cycle include evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, and runoff. Evaporation. Water from the surface of the Earth, such as lakes and oceans, evaporates into water vapor due to heat from the sun. Transpiration. Plants release water vapor into the atmosphere through tiny pores in their leaves. Condensation. Water vapor in the atmosphere cools and condenses into tiny water droplets, forming clouds. Precipitation. The water droplets in the clouds combine and become heavy enough to fall back to the Earth's surface as precipitation, such as rain, snow, or hail. Runoff. Precipitation that falls onto the land surface may run off into rivers and streams, or it may be absorbed into the ground and become groundwater. The water cycle is a crucial aspect of the Earth's climate system, as it regulates the distribution and availability of water resources on the planet. Hydrology is the scientific study of water and its movement within the Earth's surface and atmosphere. It encompasses the analysis of the water cycle and its components, including precipitation, evaporation, infiltration, transpiration, runoff, and groundwater recharge. Hydrologists study the distribution, quantity, and quality of water resources, such as rivers, lakes, groundwater aquifers, and wetlands, as well as the impact of human activities and natural events on these resources. They use this information to manage and conserve water resources, predict floods, and design water-related infrastructure, such as dams, canals, and irrigation systems. Hydrology is interdisciplinary and involves the application of principles from physics, chemistry, geology, meteorology, and ecology, among other fields. The field of hydrology is important for understanding the Earth's water resources, managing water-related risks, and addressing water scarcity issues. The hydrologic cycle refers to the continuous movement of water on, above, and below the surface of the Earth. The cycle includes processes such as evaporation, transpiration, precipitation, and infiltration, all of which play a role in water distribution and availability. Evaporation is the process by which water is converted from its liquid form to a gaseous state. This occurs when the sun's energy heats water in the oceans, lakes, and rivers, causing it to turn into water vapor. Transpiration is the process by which water is absorbed by plants and released into the atmosphere through small pores in their leaves. Precipitation is the process by which water vapor condenses into liquid or solid form, falling to the Earth as rain, snow, hail, etc. Infiltration is the process by which water is absorbed into the ground, replenishing groundwater and soil moisture. The hydrologic cycle is important for the distribution of fresh water on Earth and is crucial for supporting life on the planet.